In this video, I'll be showing you how to turn off auto accept request in Instagram. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.
Now, Instagram has a setting for private accounts called automatically confirm anyone you follow. And when enabled, if you request to follow someone and they request to follow you back, their request bypasses your inbox and is accepted instantly. So what you want to do is open up your Instagram application. Then once you hit on the bottom right, go ahead and tap on your profile icon. On the top right, press the three little lines, and then you're going to be brought over to settings and activity. Scroll down the settings directly layout until you reach the section labeled how others can interact with you. So that's going to be like the third option down. Once you're in it, locate and tap on follow and invite friends. So go ahead and click on that. And then you're going to see automatically confirm anyone you follow or automatically confirm follow requests from people who want to follow you back. And then what you want to do is switch the toggle to off. And then now it says automatic confirm follow requests from people who want to follow you back. But this won't apply to creators and businesses. So you can have it on or off depending on what you want. And that's it. You'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.